Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add text in Paint. Adding a text in MS Paint is a simple process. So first you need to open the MS Paint and then look at the Home tab in the top ribbon toolbar, and here it is. And now in the tool selection, click on the text tool icon which looks like a capital letter A. And now click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangular text box where you want your words to go. And now type the desired text. If your text box is not perfect, don't worry, it's not the perfect size. You can adjust the text box later using the little white square anchor on the corner and the sides like this one. Moreover, as soon as you create the text box, a new text tab will temporarily appear in the top menu ribbon. This will contain all your formatting options. So you can make your text bold, you can make your text italic, underline, or even strike through. And can change the size of the font like this one, and change the font of your choice like this one. So if you want a solid color box behind your text, you need to select the opaque and choose a color from the color palette box to change the font color like red. So once you are happy with your text, click anywhere on the blank canvas outside of the dotted box line. Make sure once you click outside the text box, the text becomes flattened into the image. So you cannot go back to edit the spelling, font or size later. If you made a mistake, press Ctrl Z immediately to undo that and try again. So this way you can easily add text in Paint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.